Hey guys, I want to show you something that not a lot of people show you. This is a 55 inch, let's see, I think it's a Samsung. Yeah. Okay, so probably about last year, I put LED lights in it and it was fine. The other day, all I did was move it higher up on the wall. I didn't bang it or anything. And as soon as I touched the side of it, this happened. See those lines? And look, it got all dark. It got lines up here. Now a lot of people, they're taking out the ribbon cable from the T-com board, one by one, see if it goes away. I didn't do that because my problem, I think, is here. Okay, so here's the TV, right? And this is the bottom of it, and this is the top. So right here is a cable, like a ribbon cable, coming out the side. Now watch what happens when I touch it. See that? Now all the darkness also went away. You see that? Now watch. See, I let it go, and I press it. I mean, I don't know if I can somehow, you know, heat that up or something, but if you put tape on it, the tape comes loose. So tape is not good, but it doesn't seem like anything's loose, and there is a little chip under there. I don't know if you could see it, but that's not loose because when I squeeze that, and don't squeeze it hard because it'll crack in half, it's not cracked in half. So it's not the chip, but I think it's whatever is on this board here. So I don't know if anyone knows how to fix it. I guess the only thing I could do is put a piece of tape here, but it's not gonna hold because I've done it and about 10 lines came back right over here. Now there's also more here, but these are not affecting it. Seems to just be this one here. So if anyone knows a way to permanently fix this, let me know and I'll give it a try. Alright, take care.